Hi you guys. What is hardening off your plants? It's really kind of simple. You're just bringing them outside to acclimate them to what their new environment would soon be. If you remember, I started these in the house in this little mini greenhouse deal on its side, and they have come together quite nicely. Now in the house, I have them in this, it's facing southwest windows. You get a lot of natural sunlight through there and passive heat going through the metal cart that I have them on. Now that I have them out here on concrete steps, there's also passive heat. We're getting them used to the wind. We're getting used to actual real sunlight and sound. So these are going to be out here. Let me see, my house is usually about 60 degrees, 68 degrees. It's about 60 out here today. I'll leave them out for a couple of hours. It's the first time I'm bringing them out. As you bring them out more and more, you can increase that time. Today is April 24th. I'm in zone 5. I am going to plant these a little bit earlier than normal because I am going to use all of these little mini greenhouses here to see if I can get them started and rooted up against the house. And I will let you know how that goes. Thank you so much. Have a great day.